everyone, welcome back to my channel. So guys, it was my birthday yesterday and normally I don't feel like to share birthday vlogs or don't feel like to make a video that what I have got on my birthday. But today I thought that I should share my gift with you because the gift I got from my husband for this birthday, it's a very useful gift and something which my husband thought that I really need in my life, and I'm so happy that Igor selected such a gift, and it shows that how much thought he put into it and purchased such a beautiful gift for me. So what is the gift? So before I show you the gift, let me tell you the story behind it. So guys, I always wanted to grow vegetables and herbs in my backyard, and you know that we have such a beautiful and a big backyard, and so many friends of mine always says that why don't you grow anything in your backyard? You have such a beautiful and a big backyard. So guys, the thing is most of you already knows about Bruno's story, and we came in this house in 2019, and 2019 was the year when we discovered Bruno's cancer. So for good 1.5 year, we were very stressed, sad, and we were very busy with Bruno. So there was no plan of gardening. There was no even thought about to grow vegetables or anything because we were just concentrated on our Bruno. Now it's 2021. So now I got some time to grow something, but it's too late because soon we're gonna move from this house too. But then I thought I can still do something in my backyard. That's why my husband gifted me this, which I'm going to show you now. And I'm pretty sure that two of my friends, Shikha and Anupam, gonna love this gift. They're gonna like it so very much because these two ladies love gardening so much, and they both inspire me a lot every day. Like they are so awesome in their gardening work, so awesome. So Igor going to help me now. Igor, where is my gift?
Hello. Okay, so Artie was asking me to buy her soil for garden, buy her a pot to plant things into. And my main concern with it was, first of all, it takes a lot of obviously time and effort, and we don't really have much of that. Plus, we, like you said, we're about to move to a different place. We're about to get out of this house. So I was just thinking, what would be the best way for her to actually do her gardening work without us having to worry about not really investing a lot of time, but about the fact that we need to leave this house soon. So, and after doing some research, I found this.
This is my gift.
Yeah. It says here, what is this? It says, oh, there we go, Smart Garden 9 Pro. So, and I don't really know exactly what it is. I kind of know what it is, but obviously I haven't seen it. We haven't opened the box yet. Basically, it's exactly what it says it is. It's Smart Garden. So what? And the 9 in the title says, so it can sustain 9 different plants. So the way I understand what it is it a kind of a self-sustained gardening system. It's basically a big pot where you can add water, and you plug it into the electrical outlet, and it will water the plants as needed. It will turn on the sunlight and turn off the sunlight as needed, and you can literally have it. It's portable, so you can keep it anywhere. You can keep it in your kitchen. You can leave it in your bedroom, whatever you want, and it will take care of the plants for you. All you have to do is just plant it, and that's really it. And you can plant. I'm not sure about flowers, but it's mostly
For herbs and
for different herbs, and like for example, I bought some
cilantro.
I bought some cilantro seeds with it. Seeds that provided by the same company that makes these little gardens. I think the company called Click and Grow. Yeah, it's Click and Grow, and also it's Bluetooth enabled, and you can connect it to your cell phone. You download an app, and you can control your garden from your app on your cell phone. So again, these are the seeds that Click and Grow sells, but on their websites you can also read that you can buy your own. Blocking the face. You can buy your own seeds as well. So I didn't want to buy everything because they have tens and tens of different seeds on their website. But I figured I'm gonna try the cilantro from the website, and if we like it, we can just go to local garden store, buy our own seeds and plant it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So again,
also guys, Igor got some serious allergies, so that's why if you think that why he's like breathe heavily, or his eyes are like like looks watery, it's just because he got some serious allergies.
It's the season. The pollens are out, the grasses are out, and I'm allergic to everything. And yeah, so I'm sorry if I'm gonna do some sniffles here and there and my eyes are starting to get teary. So what we're gonna do right now, Artie, right? You're gonna try to unbox it or what?
Here I'm going to open my gift. Dun, dun, dun. I love this part.
Okay.
Okay, there is a tape also. So guys, there is another box here and it says, if you want to be happy for a month, get married. If you want to be happy for the rest of your life, become a gardener.
This is hilarious.
Oh.
Okay, so the way. Oh, okay. So they actually have some seeds here as well. Oh no, I think these are.
Yeah, they are seeds, I guess.
Yeah, there's a basil. There's a three. Okay, it's because it's 9 different pods. So there's a 3. You can see there's a 3 pods of basil seeds. There's 3 pods of mini tomatoes. And green lettuce. 3 pods of green lettuce. Plus I bought extra. I already forgot what it is. Extra cilantro. Okay, so there we go. Oh, I see. So this is kind of like if you ever bought the plug-in what is it called? Like plug-in scent diffuser, I guess. They have like little sticks in there that soak in the scent and send it out to the environment. So this is the same way. These are just the pods where the soil is gonna be in here. The seeds are gonna be in here. The water is gonna be on the bottom of this tank. And when you put the pot in here, it clicks. It's gonna soak in the water and it's gonna feed the water from the bottom up instead of from the top down. So yeah, that's pretty much the system. It looks like it's pretty simple to set up. So when I was looking for this at this garden online, I think they have 3 or 4 different types. So I think they have one with. So it says again here, Smart Garden Pro, Smart Garden 9 Pro. So I think they also have Smart Garden 6, I believe. So the digit just illustrates how many pods you can plant in there. They also have one with 12, but they decided to go with the middle.
Yeah, even
with
9
the middle
is
version.
enough for me because guys, as I said that I wanted to grow vegetables, but it's my first time. And you know, when I was in India, my grandfather used to grow so many things and he
Right.
was very good in gardening. And I always liked it and loved it because when I saw that tomatoes are coming from the plants or I saw the cilantro in my garden, it's really good feeling. So that's why I always wanted to do gardening. But you know, sometimes you are lazy, sometimes you don't have time, sometimes it's just blah blah blah. But anyways, now I have got this.
Okay, so let's put the box aside. Can you put the box aside? Let's try to assemble it.
Now Igor going to assemble all these things. It's very easy, I guess.
Well, yeah. So again, so number 1, what we need to do, and this is the box, the actual growing system, and they have 2 extension arms. So what you're gonna do first, it says lamp arm. So that means that this part with a little groove needs to go on the outside.
Here is outside.
On the outside of the planting system. So it's gonna go like this. Just make sure it's right.
Yeah, it's right.
So there's one extension arm.
There's it.
Let's do the other one. And we're gonna attach the second. So now we got the growing system with 2 extension arms attached. And now we're gonna attach the lamp. There we go. Now I'm gonna do the arm. There we go. Now it kind of looks like sort of a basket. We got all the pods over here. Okay, so we got it assembled, and we just have it plugged in, and just look how cool that is. And it's really yeah. So all you have to do is just do that, and it lights up, and it's really bright. And you can see different colored lights to simulate the sunshine, I guess.
I like it so very much.
And it's so cool. This just blows my mind. And it's off. And it's on. This is crazy. So it looks like it works. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna try to plant little pods. And again, this is what they look like.
Yeah, we already opened
We
the
opened
tomato
one.
one.
Yeah, these are tomatoes. So here we go. We plugged it in. We planted all the pods. So I marked them all here so we don't forget what's where. So little Tom means tomato, BAS is for basil, and CIL is for cilantro. So we got 3 mini tomatoes, we got 3 pods of basil, and we got 3 pods for cilantro. So the lights are on. It's about 8:30 in the morning right now. According to these instructions, this thing is set for 16 hours on and I believe 8 hours off, for 8 hours to kind of simulate the day and night cycle. So we're gonna, it's gonna be on for 16 hours from 8 in the morning. It's in the kitchen. Our bedroom's upstairs, so even if we go to sleep earlier, the light is not gonna bother us, but it's gonna turn off automatically. This thing right here is water level indicator. So it's just floater. So whenever water level goes down, the indicator goes down and we'll have to refill it with water. But other than that, it's pretty much self-sufficient. We don't need to do anything with it other than making sure the water is on. These little clear domes, they're called germination domes. So pretty much whenever the sprouts come out and reach about the level of the dome, we're going to take them off because it kind of simulates the the greenhouse effect. So the plants grow faster and better. So whenever the plants grow up, we're going to take them off and let plant just go on its own. That's it. We'll see in a couple months what's going to happen. Take care.